morning is here and there's work to be done. Take your pick and your shovel and your whole dynamite, for to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. Yes, to shift a few tons of this earthly delight.
The mark on this land is still seen and still laid. The way for a commerce where vast fortunes were made.
Thank you very much.
High up an empire where the sun never sets, which is now deep in darkness, but your railway's there yet.
Navigator, navigator, rise up and be strong. The morning is here and there's work to be done. Take your pick and your shovel